How to turn on international roaming on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you tap on settings of your device, you just need to scroll down and tap on SIM cards and mobile networks over here. So tap on it and then scroll down to advanced settings. As you tap on advanced settings, you'll be able to see the option of data roaming. So tap on data roaming where you can connect to data services. So as I tap on it here, you can see the option of international roaming. So right now it's toggled on for never. So as you tap on it, you'll be able to see three options: always, for exceptions only, and never. So just make sure that you tap on always, and the carrier will charge you a fee after you turn on international data roaming, and if you really want to turn on anyway. So tap on turn on, and here you can set the daily data limit while roaming over here. So you can just tap on toggling this on and tap on the size over here of whichever GB you would want. After that, you can just tap when exceeded, would you want to be shown as warning or want and turn off the mobile data. So this way you'll be able to turn on the international roaming on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.